Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going? Picked up a new Hot Wheels premium set, metal on metal with rear riders. It's the Hot Wheels Car Culture Porsche set. It comes with two Porsche 962s. Let's get it out of the package. It is a beautiful package, by the way. For those of you who like to display the packages, it looks really nice. But let's take a look at the cars. And this is one that I found the other day. I found this one now. I'm still missing the Datsun. I gotta find that one. Hopefully soon. Hopefully. And here they are. Looking pretty cool. Nice. Black and red. We have some white on there. We do have some black wheels in the back with a little bit of chrome and a white wheel in the front. And that's how it is on both sides. Beautiful color. Let's give it a nice spin around. Nice little spin here to see all the little details. Here's a side view. What a nice looking Hot Wheels. It's really heavy. Of course, these come with the metal base and the metal body, so you have metal on metal. And the rubber tires. Let's check out the tires. These are slicks. No treads on them, but they're all rubber. And they do have plastic wheels in the middle. And all this is metal down here. The Porsche 962, stamp P39 Hot Wheels. Copyright 2016 Mattel, made in Thailand. And see how the base fits in there? Real snug. We have a little something right there. I don't know what that is. Wow, it's beautiful. This one does have a big windshield wiper on the front there. And it is a left side driver. Is this a two-seater? It looks like there's two bucket seats in there, or maybe, kind of hard to tell. It looks like there's two seats. I thought it was going to be a one-seater. Not 100%, but it looks like there's two seats. And this is strange. It looks like we only have one reverse light. The other one is missing. Check out all those red stripes, glossy black, little yellow detail here, some white and silver details, little light right there, little something going on here, a little red light or something, looks like. A couple of badges here, little advertisements, number 25. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful race car. Wow, it looks sweet. And of course, it looks like it's a pretty fast car. Pretty fast car. Almost looks like an aircraft right there. Cockpit. Big wing back here. Really nice. Check out the headlights. And we could have used some paint in these little lights in the front. But no exhaust showing on this one, which is kind of strange. Or is it this right here? Maybe it's that right there. Oh yeah, that could be it. I have a feeling that might be it. And maybe up here. Yeah, some vents or something. Pretty cool. Porsche 962. race car. And then we have this one right here. It's a set of 2. Again, with the different color wheels. White in the front and kind of like a brown in the back. With a little gold, a little silver or chrome. I should say like a chrome ring around there on the rim. Again, these are slicks. Rubber tires. Same car, just different color. It does have that little red thing there. This time they did paint the lights on the bottom here. In the front. Compare those right there. And the lights, the headlights are pretty similar. And this one did get some treatment here on these vents in the front as well. All painted black on this one. Number 8 for the white one. Red, white, and blue kind of, with all those stripes right here. And the blue towards the back. Porsche name on the big tail in the back. I don't know if you can call it a tail because it's kind of like, just like a lift. Maybe part of the fin back there, a little wing, I don't know. And that probably keeps it down close to the ground. Oh, again, no light on this side. Just the 2 red and the 1 white on one side. And then we do have those little black vents right there. Here's a side view. Goodyear. Number 8 Porsche. So I wonder why they went with the brown wheel in the back. You can see inside this one, so we can see that it looks like something going on there next to the driver. The driver's side has the seat belts, and then on the side there, I don't know that that's a seat. That might be something else. Kind of hard to see. Let's check out all these details here in the back. And towards the front. Here's a top view. Top view there. A lot of little things happening all over the place. And this does look like an aircraft. I would say if you drive this car, you can fly. Metal on metal with rubber tires. Even though they're rubber, they still roll pretty nice. They do have a lot of weight to them. But they're not going to be as fast as... I don't think they'll be as fast as plastic wheels or tires. Like the main line. These seem to grip a little more, you know? Grip a little more. Beautiful. Man, they look nice. Let me bring some more light over here a little closer. Let's light them up. I was trying to keep the reflection away, but they look so much better with a lot of light. So bring the little lamp a little closer. There we go. close-up look. I like the white with the blue and that red stripe there. The red, white, and blue. Wow. Now that's a Hot Wheels. Beautiful. Beautiful cars. Man, they look so good. They look like they're ready to race. Just want to put them on the track. See how they do. But these rubber tires, I don't know. They don't do that well. All right, let's check out the packaging real quick. On the back here, this is the set I'm still missing. The Datsun 71 BRE Datsun 510. The red and white and the blue and white one. Number 85 and number 46. Can't wait to find those. Hopefully one of these days I'll walk up to the pegs and they'll be right there hanging. I passed up on the Mercedes 2-pack and I never saw it again. And I think I passed up on a Mustang 2-pack, never saw it again. So when I saw these, I said I better get them or I'm never gonna see them again. These are copyright 2020. So I'm not sure if I think they're 2021s. But I'm not sure. There might be 2022s. I don't know. All I know is that now is when they're showing up. I have not seen these before in person, so pretty happy to find them. Pretty nice graphics on here. That's pretty awesome. Now look at those mirrors all the way on top there. We didn't get those mirrors on these. We do have that giant wiper. And you see the mirrors there. Pretty cool how the lights are inside that glass. They didn't make it like that. They just tampered them in. But there's the number 8. Pretty neat. Number 25. Pretty awesome. And then you have the Porsche 962 names right below each car. And here we go. Pretty nice set. These cars are pretty amazing looking. Very beautiful. So I did get this one already. As I said before, I found this one. I made a video of that a few days ago. And now I found this one here. It looks like they may have brought a few boxes of these throughout the week. So I don't know. Maybe they had a couple and they just put one out at a time. But hopefully I'll find that Datsun set. I'm sure these things flew off the shelf once they put them on. If they ever even got to the shelf. They're so hot they fly right off, right out of the box. They're flying. Wow, they look good, man. These Porsches look really nice. Just makes me want to watch a race now. Racing. Pretty cool. All right, guys, I need you to leave me a comment. Let me know which one you like best. The black and red or the red, white, and blue. I think my favorite is the red, white, and blue. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Down there somewhere is a little red button. You can subscribe. I have tons of videos, over 700 diecast car videos, if not 800 already. Probably reached 800. Lots of diecast cars to binge watch on. If you want to do that, click my videos tab on my channel and you can get the whole list of about 700 to 800 videos. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.